Hello students, today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is cis and trans isomerism. Already know that cis and trans isomerism, that is called geometrical isomerism. It is observed in case of organic compounds having double bonds. Compounds having double bonds, across carbon-carbon double bonds, the groups attached to the carbon atom gives different isomers. So mainly you have discussed in the previous lessons that the cis and trans isomers mainly depends upon the groups attached to carbon-carbon double bond. For example, in this case you see here green spheres, two green spheres in the same sides of double bond, and yellow spheres also in same side. As they are in same side, this is called cis. This is called cis isomer. But here you see green spheres and green spheres in opposite sides, yellow sphere in opposite sides. That's why this is called trans. This is called trans isomers. Cis and trans depends upon the arrangement of the similar groups, whether in same side, that is cis, or opposite sides, that is trans. For examples, in this case you see here methyl groups are in same side. Hydrogen, this is hydrogen also in same side, so this is called cis. This is also cis isomer. Here methyl groups are in opposite sides, hydrogen also in opposite sides, that's why this is called trans isomer. So on the basis of arrangement of similar groups either in same side or in opposite sides, this is called cis trans isomerism, very important type of geometrical isomerism. But when the groups attached to carbon-carbon double bond, carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond are different. When the groups are different, then we cannot use cis trans isomerism. So in this case we have to use another representation, that is called EZ notation. This is called EZ notation. EZ notation mainly in case of the organic compounds having double bond attached to carbon-carbon double bond, when the groups attached to carbon atom are different. Different mean in the sense, not suppose already we have discussed, if the group attached to carbon-carbon similar group in same side, that is cis, and similar group in opposite side, that is called trans. But here if all groups are different, then we cannot identify, we cannot give the isomers like cis and trans. For this case we have to use EZ notation. E stands for antigen, that is opposite, and Z stands for Zusammen, that is same. Z is similar to, that is cis. E indicates, that is opposite means trans, and Z similar means, that is cis. Same. This is one type of geometrical isomerism, but the only difference is here groups are not same, groups are different. For example, you can see, and this EZ notation is generally explained by, Kahn-Ingold-Freilog rules, that is Ingold and Freilog rules, that is also called we can say sequence rule, Ingold and Freilog rule. Here some rules we have to follow. We will explain the examples with different rules. Here first important rules is, for examples, if groups attached to carbon-carbon double bond, we have to give the priority order. Priority order means first the atom attached to the carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond, if it has higher atomic number, that is higher priority. If atomic number is same, then we have to consider the mass number. So greater the mass number, greater the atomic number has more priority. So for this case, this is the case we can see here. Here what happens? Here methyl groups, you see carbon-carbon double bond, here hydrogen is attached, here acid is attached, here hydrogen attached to carbon, here carbon attached to carbon. So as carbon has more atomic number, it has greater atomic number than hydrogen, so it is 1, higher priority, and hydrogen will be taken as 2. So we have to consider that the atoms attached to carbon-carbon double bond, more atomic number, if more atomic number group it is attached, carbon, here what happens? Here hydrogen is attached. As hydrogen attached, it has lower priority, and carbon to carbon, that is more priority. So this COH group will be 1 and hydrogen will be 2. So this is the case. So in this left side you see here hydrogen attached to carbon and carbon attached to carbon. So it will be 1 and it will be 2. So if you see 1 1 in opposite sides and 2 2 in opposite sides. So it is opposite means E, that is called E. E means antigen. So here the case we can see in this case here. Suppose this is the double bond, this is the double bond. Here the group is COOH, and here is not given, we have to consider this is hydrogen, and here this is R, that is methyl, and here is hydrogen. We have to see like this. So as acid group, carbon is attached to carbon and hydrogen, so this is 1 and this is hydrogen 2. We have to give the priority number the group attached to carbon-carbon double bond. Here hydrogen attached and acid is attached. Our acid has more priority, that's why taken as 1 and hydrogen 2. This side, here carbon attached to carbon, here carbon attached to hydrogen, so it will be 1 and it will be 2. So here it is also 2 2 in opposite sides, so this is also E. This is the case is E. So on the basis of priority order, we can give the that isomers, we can write the isomers whether E or Z. Similarly, other examples we can take. Here this structure shows that here it is hydrogen not shown, but you have to write the hydrogen here. Here also we can write hydrogen here. Here carbon attached to hydrogen, carbon attached to chlorine. So it is 1 and it is 2. This case it is 1 as chlorine higher atomic number and this is 2. So here 2 2 1 1 opposite sides, that's why E. This is the E isomers. This case you see here chlorine and bromine, as bromine has more atomic number, this is 1 and chlorine will be 2. This case here it is a methyl, this is ethyl. So methyl and ethyl both are attached to carbon-carbon, but this is a bigger group. So this will be 1 and this will be 2. So again I am explaining, here carbon attached to carbon, here carbon attached to carbon, but next attached is carbon, here next is hydrogen. That's why this is 1, this is 2. So 1 1 opposite, that is also E. So like this. Here in this case what happens, if you 1 2 3 4 5 6 nomenclature, here two double bonds are there, two double bonds is there, we have to two position across two position. If you see here carbon hydrogen, suppose it is 1 and this is 2, and here this is hydrogen, this is carbon, this will be 1 and this will be 2. Across these 2 3, so that is carbon number C2, that is E, here 2 2 2 1 1 opposite, that is 2E. This is 2E position. And here what happens, here that is carbon number 4, here carbon number 4, this is carbon, this is hydrogen, this is 1, and this is will be 2, and this case this is a bigger group, this is smaller group, this is 1 and this is 2. So here, so this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 2 1, 1 1 opposite, so that is also 4e. So around carbon number 4, the arrangement is 4e, and around carbon number 2 that is 2e. C to carbon number 2 position 2e arrangement, and carbon number 4 you can write also C2 and C4. C4 position E arrangement and C2 position is E arrangement also. So this case, in this case also same, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. Here what happens, here this is your carbon attached to chlorine, so this is your 1, this is your 2, and here this is 1, this is 2. So around C2 position, carbon number C2 is 2 2 1 1 opposite, so this is E. C2 also E arrangement, C2 position also E arrangement. And 5 position, C5 position, if you see across C5, so this is your 1, this is your 2, and this is your carbon, this is 1 and this is your 2. So 2 2 1 1, this is Z, so C5 Z arrangement. Across C5, around C5 it is Z arrangement, and across 2 that is E arrangement. So it is a 2 types, E arrangement and Z, that means antigen and Zusammen, both type of structure available in this type of structure. Okay, you see other examples here same. So across carbon double bond, here is not shown, this is your hydrogen and this is also hydrogen. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2 as per the priority order. So carbon attached to carbon, carbon attached to hydrogen, so 1 2 1 2. So 2 2 1 1 opposite, that's why it is E. Opposites means E. So in this case, if you see here, just you see it is the carbon attached to carbon, here that is also hydrogen, this position is hydrogen, and here is 1, it will be 2, and this position, this will be carbon attached to carbon, carbon attached to carbon, just you see carbon attached to carbon, here carbon attached to carbon, next carbon attached to oxygen, here carbon to carbon. So this will be 1, this will be 2. Very important, again I am explaining here, carbon attached to carbon, here carbon attached to carbon. Okay, so C is there, here C is there, next C, but next is oxygen. So oxygen is more priority than carbon, that's why it is 1 2 and 2 2. So 2 2 1 opposites, that is also E. We can see next example, very easy also. It is also H, hydrogen attached. Here if you see, this is will be 1 because greater larger group, this will be 2, this will be 2, and this is hydrogen and this is attached to carbon, it will be 1 and it will be 2. So 1 1 2 2 opposites, that is E. And here if you see, here if you see the group, this is a hydrogen, hydrogen are shown here, this is ethyl, this is propyl, so this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 1, this will be 2. So across carbon carbon double bond we are discussing. So 2 2 1 1 same side, so this is Z. Similarly also in this case you see here chlorine attached and carbon attached, so it will be 1, it will be 2, and here it is hydrogen not shown, so it is carbon, so it will be 1, it will be 2. So 1 1 2 2 same side, that is Z. And here also, here in this case we can see here carbon attached to carbon, here carbon attached to carbon, but if you see it is the bigger group, carbon carbon carbon, here carbon carbon is completed but another carbon is there, so it will be 1, it will be 2. but here carbon attached to carbon, carbon attached to carbon, but next oxygen, both are same, but after oxygen R is methyl is, after oxygen hydrogen there, so this will be 1, this will be 2. Again I am explaining, just you see, carbon attached to next carbon, carbon attached to next carbon, then oxygen, all in all both cases same, but here what happens, oxygen attached to hyphen means R, here it is hydrogen, so 1 2 position, then here 1 2, so 1 2 opposites, so that is E, like this. Similarly, if here you see, as the both groups are same, this group and this group all are same, as both are same, so EZ notation cannot be possible. But in this case, here you see, here carbon attached to carbon, here carbon attached to carbon, then carbon to carbon, but here carbon, two carbon attached, one carbon attached to two carbon, here one carbon to one carbon. That's why carbon attached to one carbon, here carbon attached to carbon, so this will be 1, this will be 2, and here carbon attached to carbon, here carbon attached, then carbon attached to fluorine, then carbon attached to sulfur, then oxygen, so as it is attached to sulfur, so it will be 1, this will be 2. You see, carbon to carbon, carbon to carbon, then carbon attached to sulfur, here carbon attached to oxygen, so sulfur is more priority, so 1 2 2 2, 1 1 opposites, so this is E. Here you see, here carbon attached to carbon, carbon attached to carbon, then carbon attached to chlorine, then carbon attached to fluorine, so it will be 1, it will be 2. Next carbon is higher priority because chlorine, here fluorine. So here is case carbon attached to nitrogen. Here you see, as triple bond N means carbon attached to 3 nitrogen, here carbon attached to carbon, carbon attached to nitrogen, here carbon attached to carbon. So both carbon, then carbon attached to nitrogen, carbon attached to oxygen. Oxygen means higher priority 1, this will be 2, it will be 2. Then so 1 1 2 2 opposites, that's why it is E. This case, very important case, here you see carbon attached to carbon, then this carbon attached to triple bond, double bond or one bond, so here this carbon attached to 3 carbon, carbon, double bond means considered as 2 carbon, triple bond means considered 3 carbon, like this. So this carbon attached to 3 carbon, but this carbon attached to 2 carbon, so it will be 1 and it will be 2. This is the method. Here what happens, this carbon attached to carbon, this carbon attached to carbon, then having double bond, here also having double bond, then carbon, this is also carbon, this carbon attached to phosphorus, this carbon nitrogen, so as it is attached to phosphorus, this is 1, this is 2. So you have to see the difference. So 1 1 2 2 opposites, so this is E. And this case you see, this carbon attached to 2 carbon, here attached to carbon, but this carbon attached to 2 oxygen, and this carbon attached to 1 oxygen 1 carbon, so this is higher priority, so this is 1, this is 2. And here carbon attached to carbon, here carbon attached to carbon, then what happens, then carbon attached to oxygen, here carbon attached to oxygen. So then if you see here in this case what happens, first you see in this side, similar side you can move, so carbon attached to carbon, carbon attached to carbon, carbon attached to 1 2 3 4 carbon, here attached to that is after this 1 after this 1 2 3 4, here 1 2 3, then oxygen starts. So as oxygen is coming at 4th position, here 4th position is oxygen, here 4th position is carbon, 1 2 3 4, this is the 4th position, this is also you see 1 2 3 4, 4th position oxygen. As oxygen is coming, here carbon is coming, so this is 1, this will be 2, and here carbon attached to already have discussed, so 1 1 2 to opposites, that is E. Again I am explaining this case. This is a very important case. Here carbon attached to carbon, here carbon attached to carbon, then how many carbon repeated? 1 2 3, here also 1 2 3, then fourth position is carbon but fourth position is oxygen, so it has more priority. So this case you see, this is this case HH and CC, this is also opposite, means this is also E. So this position also E. This is also E case, and this is also opposites. This is a Z case. Both are same. This group and this group is same, but arrangement is different. E arrangement, this is Z arrangement, and this is as carbon carbon, this is 1 and this is 2. But here EZ both are similar group, one is E pattern, another is Z pattern, but Z is more priority. Remember, Z has more priority than E. So we have to see, so this is Z, this will be 1 and this will be 2. As Z is more priority, taken as 1 higher priority, and E the second priority, that is 2. You have to remember, if similar group is there, E and Z pattern, then Z will be considered as 1, so E will be 2. So 2 2 opposite, 1 1 opposite, that's why it is E notation. Across carbon double bond, it is E notation. Similarly, here carbon attached to carbon, so this is 1 and this is 2, this is 2. But here you see carbon attached to carbon, carbon to attached carbon, carbon attached to carbon double bond, here carbon attached to carbon double bond, but here another more carbon is attached, 1 2 3, here 1 2 3 4, so this is 1, this is 2, so 1 1 2 to opposite, this is E. Similarly here, very important thing, here group is not attached but lone pair, it is also considered as a one group. Here what happens, across if you consider hydrogen and hydroxyl group, this is called oxime, this is called oxime, arrangement of oxime. Oxime HOH opposite, that is called anti. Anti means opposite. Here if you see, if consider a alkyl group R1, across R1 and OH group is opposite. So if you consider taking R1 and OH arrangement, that is anti. R1 and OH arrangement is anti, and R2 and OH arrangement is syn. So this is your syn across R2 and OH. Taking R2 and OH and taking R1 and OH, that is anti. So this is the arrangement. So in this way, different types of arrangement, EZ notation is possible. We have to see the arrangement of groups across carbon carbon double bond. Only difference, we have to see the priority. Higher priority is 1 and lower priority will be 2. Then arrangement of 1 and 2 are across carbon carbon double bond, then we can give the EZ notation. So this is very important part of geometrical isomorphism. You practice it, and if you have any doubt, you can send your doubts in the comment box. But don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, please press the like button. Okay, thank you all.